utilize the slackline as a tool and in as many different ways as possible. So here we go. Today, over-unders. Start with level 1. You're gonna set your slackline up. To make it a little easier, set the slackline a little lower. To make it a little harder, you're gonna set it about hip height or a little lower. Okay, level 1, unders. You're gonna squat down nice and low, going underneath the line. Tap the mat, take a step forward, and repeat. Notice I'm not rounding the back, I'm just trying to get under the line like that. I'm trying to really squeeze the legs and squat down. Once you've reached the opposite anchor point, you're gonna do the same thing, but backwards. All the way there, all the way back. The goal for level 1 is to do this 5 times. There and back is 1. Make sure you look back to check the anchor point. Level 1, 5 times. There and back is 1. Okay, moving on to level 2. It's called overs. Did the unders, now we're gonna do the overs. First level is you can jump with split leg. Okay, second level, jump with legs together. You choose. Goal is to go all the way down and all the way back. Do that 3 times for level 2. And go back. Good leg workout. Again, there and back is 1. You're gonna do that 3 times for level 2. Moving on to level 3. Call this one over-unders. Gonna start. Jump over. Step under. Over and under. Notice I'm jumping the same way every time. So when we get to the opposite anchor point, we're going to jump the other way. Now, the other way. Left side's trickier. Over unders. There and back, 3 times. There and back is 1. Doing 3 sets. Have fun with that one. Over unders. Peace.